What's up, guys? Welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 18. This was a fun one. Turned out beautiful. Let's take a quick look at before and after photos, and then we'll show you some quick clips of the process of building and remodeling this bath and shower. Here we go. Okay, first we'll start with the floor. We installed a large format, 24-inch by 24-inch porcelain. Staggered this at a straight pattern with a 1/16 inch grout line. The customer wanted the grout to disappear, so this grout color is Bone by Prism. One of the best grouts out there, and as you can see, the floor turned out absolutely flawless and very flat. We used a tile leveling system. Lev-Tech on this floor. Okay guys, let's take a look at the shower here. Now keep in mind the customer will be doing all paint and drywall. We were in charge of tile for the floor as well as the shower. Now, before we begin, we'll talk about waterproofing. We used a Schluter Kerdi seal system, drywall on the walls, Schluter Kerdi membrane wrapped on these walls. We have a Schluter pan, curb and drain. Everything is waterproof. This is a seal system. Let's take a look at the tile here. Installed was a 12 by 24 inch ceramic. Now keep in mind, this was purchased at a tile specialty store. The customer purchased this beautiful rectified ceramic for $3 a square foot. So keep in mind, you can always get a good deal at a tile specialty store. It's very difficult to see the grout lines. They wanted the grout lines to disappear. Installed grout-wise was Bone, the color, and the grout was Prism by Custom. And we installed this at a straight pattern. We have tiles in the center going up. We've got 3/4 of a tile here on the wall, wrapped to make another full tile, ending with another full tile. So the layout turned out great. It worked out well for us. We also tiled all the way up to the ceiling. As you can see, a lot of angles on this ceiling here. We've got miter cuts here, miter cuts there as well, but the ceiling tile turned out great. Trim edging used was Schluter Rondeck. We only used the trim edging on the sides of the shower. Everything else was mitered. Here's your corner bench. As you can see, nice clean tight miters on this corner bench. Mitered here and mitered there as well. We've got a brush nickel trim kit shower head. Installed down here on the pan was a 2x4 porcelain sheeted pan tile. We've got a proper slope. This was a Schluter pan cut down to size to fit this area. Here's the curb. Again, the curb is the same ceramic used for the walls. Again, we mitered the curb, as you can see. Nice, clean, tight miters. Now keep in mind, we think, again, mitered look looks much cleaner than any kind of trim profile like a Schluter Rondeck. It also looks better than a quarter round or a bullnose. Much cleaner, seamless look, much easier to clean and maintain as well. So there you guys have it. Bath and shower tile ideas 18. This build took approximately 7 days for the floor and shower. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.